Hi, my name is Sumit Sharma and I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. So today RBI monetary policy meeting happened. So the policy rate has been reduced by 25 basis point to 6.25 from 6.5. Inflation on the decline and is expected to moderate in next financial year and gradually, aligning with the target of 4%. MPC has decided to retain its neutral stance, keeping in mind the excessive volatility in global financial markets and continued uncertainty about global trade policy, along with adverse weather events, which could pose risk to growth. So, the real GDP growth for this year is estimated to at around 6.4 by the NSO. Agriculture activity remains upbeat and impressive. So the budget has provided essential fiscal support while uploading fiscal discipline, and the RBI has enforced this by initiating monetary easing. The inflation outlook appears favorable due to healthy Kharif season production and encouraging prospect of for the better Rabi season, providing the comfort to prioritize growth. Manufacturing, on the other hand, is expected to revive gradually in the second half of the year. Business expectations remain upbeat. Service activity continues to be resilient, though the service PMI has declined. There is some concern as far as the urban demand is concerned. Now, we need to understand the agenda behind what exactly government is doing. Taxes खत्म किया, 12 lakh तक कोई टैक्स नहीं पे करना है सैलरीड क्लास को. RBI made open market operations of 1.5 lakh crore to infuse in Indian market. RBI note print करके bond buy करेगी. Rate cut happened today, so this will boost the consumption in tier 2 and tier 3 cities because the actual growth is coming from tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Urban demand subdued है. Tier 1 cities से consumption match नहीं कर रहा है या pressure है. This rate cut will eventually help banking and NBFC stocks. Their lending practice will improve. इसका फायदा ऑटो, हाउसिंग और कंजम्पशन सेक्टर्स को मिलेगा. And we may see some better opportunities coming in high-end luxury market.